yang miring-miring Kita yang belum selesai menang-menang.
Many people enjoy looking at other people's flower or vegetable gardens and want to create their gardens. But one thing that restrains them to build it is that they are not willing to spend their money to buy the gardening materials such as planting containers and flower pots to build garden infrastructure. Lots of waste products, especially industrial waste, can also be turned into strong and beautiful plant containers. The commonly used materials include pallet wood, tires, cooking oil containers, beverage bottles, washing liquid containers, buckets, basins, and many more. Pallet wood is one of the materials that can be obtained for free if you are diligent enough to search and collect it in industrial waste places. With your acidity and creativity, you can be able to create a new product that is not only natural, safe, and reliable, but also more beautiful than pots or plant containers on the market. Pallet wood is also suitable to be used as a plant container and plant rods to fill the outdoor space outside your house. Problem statements. How can plants be planted in tight spaces and still be organized? The benefit of using pallet wood is the reasonable price, safe space, eco-friendly, lightweight, and minimalist. So, what are you waiting for? Create your garden from the waste materials now.